Are your Alteryx workflows becoming too complex to manage, slowing down your analytics, and limiting your ability to scale? Migrating from Alteryx to Microsoft Fabric sounds like the right move. But the process is often overwhelming. Manual conversion takes weeks, sometimes months, requiring constant rework, validation, and technical effort. This not only increases operational cost, but also delays insights, creates inefficiencies, and puts pressure on already stretched data teams. But what if you could eliminate all that complexity and migrate your workflows faster, smarter, and with complete confidence? Introducing PulseConvert, an AI-powered migration platform built to seamlessly convert Alteryx workflows into Microsoft Fabric pipelines. With PulseConvert, all you need to do is upload your existing workflows. The platform intelligently analyzes your logic, transformations, and dependencies, then automatically recreates them into fully functional Microsoft Fabric pipelines, maintaining structure, accuracy, and performance. There's no need for manual coding, no need for repetitive validation. PulseConvert ensures high-fidelity migration, supports complex workflows, and operates within a secure, enterprise-grade environment. What once required weeks of effort can now be completed in just minutes, reducing cost, minimizing errors, and accelerating your data transformation journey. Your teams can focus on what truly matters: generating insights, driving strategy, and making faster data-driven decisions with Microsoft Fabric. It's time to move beyond complexity and embrace intelligent migration. PulseConvert. Migrate smarter, scale faster, and unlock the full power of Microsoft Fabric.